Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our evening time, drive time update, guys and gals. So, it's a pretty stinker of a day out there. And, I'm not feeling the love from the crypto market, and we're seeing everything going down. We got some interesting, shocking news. Looks like Binance has stopped Bitcoin withdrawal. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about much more in the house, guys and gals. So right now, let's jump into it, guys. I remember none of this is financial advice out there. And I just want to say, keep positive, stay calm, and if you guys are having any kind of like crazy, thoughts out there, talk to somebody. Don't do anything drastic. Don't do anything desperate out there. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. Let's go down the crypto rabbit hole right now. Let's get it, guys. And hopefully, I got a little bit of opioid in this video. Hopefully, this opioid will, make you guys feel a little bit better, a little bit cheery out there. So I thought I'd cheer you guys up with a little bit of the alien in the house, guys. So we got the alien, and of course, we got the Debbie Downer bear, and this guy, he's partying like it's 1994, guys, because he's out of there. Get out of there, Debbie Downer bear. So, let's get serious for a second. So let's take a look at the U.S. markets right now. So the U.S. markets, wow. The Dow is down like 600 points, guys, and 600 points to start the week. S&P falls back to bear market territory, so the S&P is getting hammer time out there, and the Nasdaq is also getting hammer time. So that's going to push most of the cryptos down, guys. So let's jump to the heat map, guys. Now I'm warning you guys. The heat map out there. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is below $24,000 right now, and that's down a whopping 13%, and that's we're seeing Ethereum is down 15%. Everything is just a complete chaos out there. It's got the end of the world, guys. The end of the world. No, it's not the end of the world. And what we're seeing right now is we're seeing that Celsius had a black swan event, guys. They've lost so much value in terms of their coin right now. It's down almost 45% in the last 24 hours. So that is not looking good. And that's one of the reasons that we're seeing, the whole crypto markets are going down, because they had this whole announcement that came down. So right here, you guys can see that, right now, see, the memo can't be reached. That is weird, guys. That is absolutely weird out there. So this is this whole Celsius memo out there that came out. All users got it, and basically said that they're stopping all the transactions, all the withdrawals, all the swaps, and all the transfer between accounts. So this is one of the major catalysts out there why we are seeing Bitcoin and everything going down, because this is a black swan event, because the liquidity is being taken off Celsius right now, and this is kind of similar to the Luna Tuna debacle out there. So that's what that's all about. Should you be panicking? Yeah, I mean, if you still have your crypto on Celsius, yeah, you need to panic. You need to worry out there, and hopefully that they'll find some liquidity. But stopping transfer is the only thing that can save them. And I think this was also some of the people that got hit and hurt bad by Luna. I think they went after Celsius and did this, and it's a whole liquidity problem, because a lot of these big users also have Ethereum, and there was a big run on Ethereum. There was a huge run on Ethereum on the Celsius network just 48 hours ago. So this is what caused the liquidity to go down. And also we have the depegging of the wrapped Ethereum as well. And also Celsius has a ton of their Ethereum on the beacon chain Ethereum 2.0 that they can't touch. It's absolutely locked in there. So basically Ethereum, they failed to do good risk management. That's all that happened. There's nothing nefarious. They absolutely failed to do good risk management out there. So let's take a look at the itty bitty baby right now. So we're seeing itty bitty baby is getting slaughtered out there, and it's down like like a whopping 13%, and it's trading at 23,582. So I'm going to show you some opioid. I think that from my perspective, I believe that if you look at the 4-year moving average and 200 EMA, we can see that the 200 EMA and the 4-year moving average corresponds to about 21,600. So I have a feeling that we're probably going to go down to 21,600. Worst case scenario, remember, we do have the $21,000 level, which is a minor capitulation line. Now, if we do see that the minor capitulation line gets hit, then we're going to be going down to 14,000. That's it. That's all there is to it. There's nothing you can do about it except hold, DCA, not financial advice, of course, or panic sell. But you got to do you out there. So from my perspective, that's why it's so important. I keep telling everyone, never invest more than you're willing to lose, because these are the times when people are like, well, if you invested money that you can't lose, then that's going to push you over the edge to panic sell, and then you're going to be losing more than you put in, and that's not good, right? And then, but also too, I also believe that this whole sell-off is a big flush out too. We're seeing a lot of the retail investors get flushed out like crazy, and it's kind of just gonna flush out. We're seeing that a lot of people are scooping up the Bitcoin now. I scooped up one Bitcoin today. Yeah, I bought it around about 25.9. So yeah, I'm a little bit out of the money right now, so I'm not happy about that. But that's life. That's the crypto life, guys. And crypto will come back. Absolutely will. It will come back. I'm telling you out there. I have been through the 2008, housing crisis, the Bitcoin dump there, the COVID dump, and many dumps. And this is just a cycle thing. It will go up. So it's a matter of can you rate to 2025 or not? That's totally up to you. I can, so I'm not fearing. I'm not panicking out there. So we take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now. It has dropped way below my blue box zone, so that is not good, guys. And we're getting danger close to the minor capitulation line, $21,000, guys. And if we drop below that, then my next target is about $1,400. It is what it is, guys. Buckle up, suck it up, be tough out there, grow a pair, and don't panic, guys. Absolutely don't panic sell. That's what the whales want you to do. They absolutely want you to panic sell. We can see that the Bitcoin dominance is dropping, so that is good. This is a good sign. This is a positive sign. DYX right now. Let me just give this a refresh, guys. Let me give this a refresh, so we can see that the DYX is it's dumping, guys. It's absolutely dumping. If you take a look at the DXY out there, this is not good. It's 104. This is not what we want to see. It means that the dollar is much stronger than GB pound, stronger than Japanese yen, and stronger than euro. This is not good, guys. This is a Debbie Downer for Bitcoin. If you take a look at the Dogecoin right now, let's take a look and see how many people are in the money. Let's get good at pop-ups, I accept that. So we're seeing right now that 44% of the peeps are still in the money, and these are the people that have been holding Dogecoin for more than 1 year, like me. So I'm still in the profit zone with Dogecoin, but a lot of you aren't, and I am sorry about that. But there's nothing you can do. But I believe that Dogecoin is a good project, a solid project. I also believe Ethereum is a good project. Bitcoin's a good project. I believe BNB, Avalanche, Dot, Solana, these are all good projects, guys, and ADA, a fantastic project, and these projects will bounce back, and they will bounce back hard, and I still believe that we could be even getting a V-shaped recovery out there. I believe it. So let's take a look. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, even though we've had this huge, Bitcoin dump, Dogecoin has not done that bad, because often we'd see that Doge would dump twice as much, down 24%, but it hasn't. It's only down about 15%, so it's just down slightly compared to what Bitcoin is doing. So I'm not panicking out there. Doge is actually not doing too bad. I mean, I must say, normally Doge would whatever Bitcoin dumps, Dogecoin would double it up. So we're only down 15%, and we're at 0.53. And it looks like the 0.4 cents is still holding. If the 0.4 cent doesn't hold, I mean, I gotta be honest with you guys. If it doesn't hold, then we could be going 2 cents, guys. We could be going down to 2 cents. It is what it is, But I'm gonna be holding my Doge Warrior. Now you guys are gonna laugh. You laugh your butts off when you see what's going on with the leverage apes. Now these knuckleheads out there, they're going nuts. It's pandemonium in leverage land out there. The apes have lost their minds. We got 264,000 traders who have been wrecked out there, and that's to a tune of 995 million. It's almost $1 billion, guys. And these guys are just gone. They've gone insane, and they've gone insane. And you can see that it's all longs. Everyone's longity longs. And the market makers are not going to have it. They're absolutely not going to have it, guys. So that is what that is all about. So you guys can see that, these crosses indicate Bitcoin bottom. So it looks like we're about to cross again. And this could be indicative of Bitcoin hitting a bottom. So I believe that the bottom is in. We're getting very, very close to it right now, guys. I really believe that we're getting very, very close to the bottom. And we're going to have a reversal, guys. I really believe in the bottom of my heart we're going to have a reversal. And, if we're talking about a hodler strategy, this is what you guys have to do. 1, have a separate income. So, you know, if you're living off crypto and everything's in crypto and it goes down, you're done like a donut. Invest only what you don't need for expenses. Okay, that's so important. Buy the dips. Don't trade. Don't leverage trade. Never swing trade. Never sell and wait. This is the recipe for life-changing wealth. This is the hodler strategy. That is what I'm doing. That's what you should be doing. You know, is it coincidence? Interaction of these two sets of parallel lines, which were made of several reaction price points, forms the lows of each macro retracement. We are now at the third retracement point. So once again, here we are again. We're at the third retracement point on this, and this is indicative of Bitcoin hitting its bottom, guys. So this is absolutely, amazing, guys. And I really think that we're going to get a reversal. Bitcoin has reached a pivot point just before a huge bull run. So every time we see these pivot points here and here, we often have a huge reversal. And we just hit this critical pivot point. So this is what tells me that, I think we're going to get a reversal. I believe we're going to get a reversal coming in, guys and gals. We're seeing more stuff coming in as well. Bitcoin measure move, not down complete. Might be the bottom, but I'm watching the 200-week EMA, WMA. I mean, we might go down to 22,300, but I believe the bottom is in, guys. So let's just take a look at this whole Binance news here. Binance. Where is the Binance news? So here it is. So just in, Binance has temporarily paused Bitcoin withdrawals right now. So they're saying it's due to some stuck transaction caused a backlog, yada, yada, yada. I believe that, but things like this don't help because, things like this don't help because of the fact that, people are going to panic and think that Binance is going to collapse now, and there's going to be more FUD, and there's going to be more people running for the door and trying to take off their Bitcoin and sell their Bitcoin, guys. There is a lot of panic selling going on right now, so you guys just need to stop it out there. Absolutely stop it. So you guys just have to stop panicking, guys. It is not a good time to be panicking, guys. So let's take a look at ADA right now. So ADA is down, down. It's being supported at 45 cents, so that is pretty good. Ethereum right now is being supported at $1,200. The $1,200 area is support, guys. It's acting as huge support, so that is good. So let's take a look at total market cap, guys. Market cap sucks right now. The market cap is bled out. We are below $1 billion, and this is not good. But look at the volume, guys. The volume right now is 94 billion, and most of this is sellers. Most of this is sellers. The retail investors are being flushed out, guys. They're absolutely being flushed out. And the diamond handlers, the hodlers, I mean, I'm not selling anything. I mean, even my wife is complaining. Did you sell before it went down? And I try to explain, look, honey, I'm not a trader. I'm holding, guys. I'm holding 2025 because one Bitcoin is still worth one Bitcoin, guys. So come on already. And we're seeing the Bitcoin dollars is still, it's down a little bit. So we take a look at the carnage out there. The carnage. I mean, I grabbed the red bear and showed it to you, but I threw that away. I threw that damn thing away. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is it's down 13.52%. It's at $23,683. That sucks. We're seeing that Ethereum sucks right now. That's down 15.56%. We're seeing that BNB sucks too right now, and that's down $224. That's down 13%. We're seeing that, look, I'll even talk about XRP. XRP is down 9%, and that's at 31 cents. ADA is only down 10%. So, relatively speaking, ADA is still holding its own. I think ADA is going to have a huge bounce back. We're seeing Solana's down 16%. It's getting crushed out there. Doge is getting crushed, getting hammered time with the Doge, and that's down 16.7%. So there's no good news out there. There's absolutely no good news out there. So I just got to say that straight up, guys. So guys and gals, do go and follow me on my Twitter. Boot the likes or not. Subscribe or not, guys. So peace out, guys. Go check out the merch if you want. And I just want to say I love you guys. Don't panic. Don't do anything crazy. Be smart out there. I just want to say I love you guys. Peace out.